Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce presentation costs with Prezi easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with reducing presentation costs using Prezi, first, visit the Prezi website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the Create from Template option. Browse through the available templates that fit your presentation theme. Select a template that suits your content needs. Once you have chosen a template, begin by editing the title slide. Click on the text to modify it with your own title. Next, add the main content by clicking on the designated areas in the template. Use relevant images and graphics to enhance your message. Prezi allows you to import images directly from your computer or search their library. You can also include videos to make your presentation more engaging. To add a new slide, navigate to the left sidebar and choose Add Path. This feature helps you structure your presentation easily and effectively. Customize fonts and colors to match your branding or theme. Keep your slides visually appealing yet simple to maintain audience focus. Once your content is complete, review the presentation for consistency and clarity. Use the preview option to see how your presentation flows. Make any necessary adjustments based on your review. Once satisfied, it's time to share your presentation. Click on the Share button to find various options. You can download your presentation as a PDF or present it live online. By saving your presentations in Prezi, you can access them anytime without additional costs. Utilizing Prezi's tools can significantly reduce the need for expensive software or services. This approach not only helps in cutting costs but also enhances creativity and engagement. Explore additional features like analytics to track viewer interaction if available. With these simple steps, you can effectively reduce presentation costs and elevate your content with Prezi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.